Hey everybody, so what we want to talk to you about today is the default layout. So first of all, I'm going to show you what the default layout is. When I go in here and I click on my page to create a new report, everything that we see in here is going to be the default layout. So in the default layout, we've set that it's going to say quote at the top as opposed to estimate or proposal. And we've set that this Atlas Pro logo is going to go in here. On the quote details page, we've set up line items, we've set up a note at the bottom. On the authorization page, we've set up a disclaimer, and we've set up standard products and footer notes and that. Even your terms and conditions, everything in here has all been set up in the default layout. This is the default of what a report is going to look like when you start. So let's go up to configuration here, and I'm going to show you how to edit this right now. So I'm going to go into our default layout, and here, let's say we wanted to call this a proposal instead. And let's say rather than Atlas, and I'm going to delete that. Let's say here instead we wanted to have a certainty logo. And so we're going to put in the certainty logo there instead. So the changes that we're making to our default layout here right now, that is the change of what's going to automatically be there, right? So on the quote details page, maybe we don't want to be selling at $245 a square. Maybe we want to update that to $275 a square there. And the conditions, maybe we update some of the information here. So we've made some updates in here. Now, often how I do this personally is before I publish this, I'm going to toggle these pages off. So the changes have still been made, but I like to start with things nice and clean over here. So we've made our changes. I'm going to click publish on this, and I'm going to publish this for all new reports. So now when I go back to projects and I go into this project that I'd just been working on, now here when I click on create new report, now you can see it says proposal instead, and we've got our certainty logo here instead. And on the quote details page, instead of 245, it's 275. So again, default layout, you're creating the default layout for your pages on the left here for any time a new report is being created. I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, feel free to email us at hello@sumoquote.com. Thanks so much, you guys. Have a great day.